Ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? So my name is Jason Lizadavlogs, and this is the hot. What's up, guys? So my name is Jason Lizadavlogs, and this is the Carolina Reaper Challenge. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be going to Best Buy to buy computer parts. We're gonna start on building our own computer. Right now we got our case, and then we're gonna go Best Buy to see what we can get or what they have, just so that we can get that started. We'll see what Best Buy has to offer with computer parts, and we'll get whatever we can, and then if not, then we'll order online. So here we go. We are here. Oh, no more, bro. So these are all the parts that we might be getting. Yeah, but it depends on the gigabytes, that's why. Because this one is 6, there's 4, 8, 8. And it depends on which one they have. Yeah, but 2080, but it might be how many gigs though? Because look, this one's no, this is 8. They don't have it yet. This one, they have to have the 2080 Ti, which they don't have.
Oh, I forgot the now. Yeah.
Okay. And then that 2.
And then
So we literally bought all the computer parts, and guess how much it cost us? 2 grand, bro. 2 grand. Okay.
And you're also hitting your car.
Oh, Best Buy.
A few inches later.
It started pouring. Oh my gosh. Why would it pour like this? Hot in here too. Oh yeah?
I'm more than this.
Oh yeah?
I'm like 12 or 18.
Donut or hot dog,
Dog.
lettuce,
No, that's
lettuce or cucumber or.
this is a ketchup.
Oh yeah? How is it going? We are at the beach. Don't mind me. I'm talking to the camera. This is Ivy's friends. Not my friends, this is her friends. I can't take 2. Alright, no. I'm not trying to put your name on here. Just because I don't know if you want. You know, I would introduce, but I don't want to say. But yeah, we're at the beach for the first time while I moved here. We think I'm famous. Soon to be. Nah.
Excuse me, sir, are you famous?
Yeah, it's hot in Hawaii. We'll be in Hawaii for the next year or so. You know, it's just a long vacation. Alright. Damn, I didn't even hit the record button. Nah, just kidding, I did. Look at these guys.